tengo motivos, se los traigo aquí conmigo. No les presumo, solo digo lo que veo.
What is going on, guys? First of all, before I start this video, I just wanted to apologize to everyone. I haven't uploaded ever since I painted the truck, but we've done a couple things on the truck now. I'll show you guys once we get to my friend's house. Antonio's gonna be polishing my wheels because this Saturday Salinas Photography is going to come to Albuquerque, New Mexico. So he's going to shoot my truck, a full photo shoot.
¿Este voy mañana o sí?
You didn't ask him?
Ahora hasta.
So this is what happened, guys. We finally got some intros. And I also got that exhaust bezel. What is going on, guys? It's currently 2 days after the last clip. Today's Saturday. Today's the day of the video shoot. I'm pretty sure Salinas is already here. Told me he was gonna get here like around 2 in the morning. He was in Las Cruces last night. But yeah, I was on my way to go wash my truck, but my little brother just called me to go pick him up because he's gonna leave his truck at some guy's house so that he can polish his truck. And I'm just gonna wash it. Got my bucket right here. ¿Qué te dijo?
¿Eh?
¿Qué te dijo?
Que ahorita como las 9:30.
Creo que le estaba viendo la pintura.
Por la scratch. ¿Tenías mucho aquí?
Sí, güey. ¿Almorzada?
No.
all it's kind of all right. My head tilting right, nigga, hit a right, bro. My head tilting left is left. I can't communicate much. You know what I mean?
So go straight.
So what's up, guys? We already met with Salinas. We're here getting some shots at downtown Albuquerque. We're gonna go some more places too. We just stopped here real quick. Get me and my brother too. What's up, guys? So today's a new day. It's Sunday, and today we're having a meet with Salinas. So let's see how that meet goes. Right now I'm on my way to Nico's house. He's gonna take his AME merch. He wants me to take some stuff in my truck, so I came to help him out real quick, but I'll show you guys when I get there. We just got everything on the truck, guys. Just some stuff that didn't fit in Nico's truck. Right now we're waiting for him to get out the shower.
Let me show you guys how he's taking his AME merch.
Probably he's just gonna take the blue truck, but I doubt it. I'm pretty sure he's gonna take the Ram too. But yeah, guys, he has all these merch in here. TBT.
¿Por qué te lado de la subse?
te la estás pasando, Salinas?
¿Tú?
Bien, güey, más o menos. Here. ¿Cómo? ¿Te animas o no? Nico. ¿De qué? ¿Modelo? Te va a quemar, güey.
Did he tell you what happened?
A la verga.
$11.82 and it's done. Va otro. All right, the next one is 11.79. 11.79.